Can we delete Instagram block list without unblocking? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can delete Instagram block list without unblocking them. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you can actually take is open up your Instagram. After doing that, if you head over to the bottom right corner, you'll be on your profile. Now let's head over to the block list. Tap on the top right corner and there you'll be on your settings and activity. So from there you can scroll down and there you should find an option that says who can see your contacts. So after you're on that very section, you can tap on the blocked option to find your block list. So after you're here, you'll notice that you cannot actually remove the list. You cannot actually delete any one of these. So the reason is that there is not a feature that allows you to delete your block list without unblocking the users. Now that is something that Instagram has done. So yeah, what you can actually do is, you just need to unblock them to clear out your blocked accounts. What you can actually do is you can report about this problem, but Instagram will again get back to you by saying that they cannot actually delete your block list without unblocking the users. So I hope this answers your question, guys, and that is basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.